How to divide fractions. So, ang rule natin in dividing fractions ay if we have A over B divided by C over D, that is equal to, just copy the first fraction, A over B, change the operation to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of the second fraction. So, C over D will become D over C. And then proceed to multiplication. So, numerator times numerator, and then denominator times denominator. So, we have AD over BC. Okay, so let's apply this rule. So, first example, 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 9. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin, just copy the first fraction, the dividend, 5 over 6, change the operation to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of 1 over 9. 1 over 9, pagbaligtarin lang natin ito, interchange lang, so we have 9 over 1. And then, just multiply. So, in multiplying, we can use the cancellation law. So, we have 5 and 9 sa numerator, 6 and 1 in the denominator. We can reduce to lowest term, 9 and 6. So, we can divide that both by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So, now, let's just multiply. So, we have 5 times 3, that is equal to 15. And then 2 times 1 is equal to 2. So, change to mixed number. So, 15 divided by 2, that is equal to 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract, we have remainder of 1. So, therefore, the final answer is 7 and the remainder 1 over 2 or 1/2. Final answer is 7 and 1/2. Okay, so next number. Number 2, we have 8 over 11 divided by 6 over 7. So, just copy the first fraction, 8 over 11. Change the operation to multiplication and get the reciprocal of the divisor, 6 over 7. So, that will become 7 over 6. And then, reduce to lowest term first using the cancellation law. So, we can divide 8 and 6 by 2. Okay, so 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So now, just multiply the numerators. 4 times 7, that is equal to 28. And then, multiply the denominators. 11 times 3 is 33. So this is now the final answer since it is a proper fraction. Okay, so next number, we have 8 over 9 divided by 4. So, to divide fraction to a whole number, gawin lang nating fraction ang 4. So, we can put denominator of 1 if the divisor is a whole number. So, that's the same as 4 over 1. And then, just apply the rule. So, copy the first fraction, 8 over 9, change the operation to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of 4 over 1, that is 1/4. Okay, so before we multiply, use the cancellation law, divide 8 and 4 by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So multiply the remaining fractions and numerators and denominators. So we have 2 times 1, that is equal to 2, and then 9 times 1 is equal to 9. So final answer is 2 over 9. So try nyo naman ang number 4. 25 over 14 divided by 5 over 7. Comment your answer.